Are you tired of running thick, ugly extension cords through your client's property to install outdoor decorative lighting? S4 Lights offers multiple, low-voltage solutions that allow you to add robust decorative light strings to your existing landscape infrastructure, saving you time and money. Tap and Go from S4 Lights features a classic 5mm light string designed to connect to any low-voltage lighting system between 12 and 24 volts. Easily attach the power adapter to your existing landscape wiring and daisy chain up to 18 strings. Add as many power adapters as your low-voltage transformer can support and create a vibrant and safe display, free of 120-volt extension cables and GFCI breaker issues. Tap and Go features a proprietary, robust LED designed to be used any time of year. Combined with money-saving power consumption, Tap and Go lasts longer than typical standard plug light strings, making Tap and Go the perfect decorative choice for any season. For a larger variety of light products, infrastructure, and dazzling effects, the Versaline 60-watt landscape power adapter allows you to tap into the robust Versaline series from S4 Lights. Click here to learn more about Versaline from S4 Lights. Create vibrant, decorative lighting displays using your existing low-voltage infrastructure. Landscape lighting from S4 Lights. Created with the commercial installer in mind.